this is AmiVenki. Welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you again. Hope you like the jewelry review that I did previously. Today's video is also a review, unboxing and review video. I had ordered the Sukkhi jewellery combo, whereas you get two choker neck pieces, earrings and matha peti also. So I had ordered that combo. I've received it between 4 to 5 days, not 4 to 5 days, yeah, it took longer to receive this. So let us unpack and see what it is. So here am I going to unbox it. So this is how I've got it. It is Sukkhi glamorous gold plated wedding jewelry pearl choker necklace set for women. So there are two sets. So let's open and see it. So here is it, Sukkhi jewelry, and let's see. I received it in a box like this. It's 349 rupees for two piece. So yeah, you have to open it upside down. Actually, I have an orange chiffon sari and a blue ombre georgette sari with golden border. So I was looking for a neck piece for that. So I believe that this will be a good one. So this is how I've got it. The packing looks super. The box can be reused for storage purposes. So all of this looks great, but the most important thing is how is the jewelry, right? So let us open it and see. Okay, so here goes the bubble wrap. Here goes the bubble wrap. It's a long bubble wrap. Long bubble wrap. So yeah, so this is what I've received. I've received this, and I have received this. Okay, so these two are the pieces that I've received. So let me first open the first piece and see how is it. Okay, so this is the first piece. So I'm going to open it. This is two combo. Okay, two combo for 349 rupees. So let's see if it's worth it or it's not worth it. Okay, so this is how the first set looks. It doesn't look in shape. I think I'll have to bend it and make it in shape. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty, isn't it? It looks pretty. They do not have these thread for adjustment. Okay, it's just a string. They have given it like this. So this is how it looks. Okay, so see, this is how it looks. Okay, so let us now look at the earrings. The earrings are here. We have the earrings. I hadn't checked the review of the product before placing the order. Later when I checked the review was not that great. So now let's see. So here are the earrings. Okay, so here is the earring. This is earring number 1. Okay, it looks good. Earring number 1. And here is earring number, this is the matha peti that I received. Matha peti that I received along with it. And then I have earring number 2. Okay, earring number 2 is a disaster. No stones, nothing. My god, earring number 2 is a disaster. They have given me some piece. I think they are expecting me to be a jewelry maker. They have given me all these pieces. I literally don't know what will I do with these pieces. I'm thinking if I should keep this or if I should return this. So guys, this is how this jewelry looks. The choker is also not that up to the mark. You can see that the choker is also very dauntily made. It is not at all like, it looks good, but when you're going to put it on the neck, it's not going to sit properly. So I would recommend you not to go for this. Now let's have a look at the next neck piece, which also came along with it. So it is a combo offer. So let me see. So this is how I got the next one. So this is how it looks. Yes, this has a string for adjustment. I always prefer this, this is so easy and so convenient. I would always prefer a string with adjuster like this. Wow, the neck piece looks so superb, right? The neck piece looks so superb, and all the stones are in place. Mostly what happens is whenever I order jewelry, by the time I receive it, at least 2-3 stones are missing. So I think whatever I did not like in the previous neck piece is being compensated by this neck piece. Wow, this is one fantastic purchase. I really liked it. I think the previous one whatever was missing, I think I'll forsake it with this one. So now let us have a look at the earrings. Okay, so this is how the earrings are. It came in a pack like this. So I'm going to open it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, so this is how beautiful, right? Beautiful, 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 really beautiful. So now they have also given a mata peti along with this. I think the second set is too good. I was thinking if I should return it, but now it's a combo, so if I'm going to return, I'll have to return both. So this one is mata peti is also very, very beautiful, right? So I like the second set very much, and whatever problem is there with the earring of the first set, I think I'll bear with it. So guys, so this is how the combo neck piece is. If you're asking me to rate it out of 10, I would rate it 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 because 5 marks completely for the second neck piece, and for the first neck piece, I think I have to reduce the marks. The link to purchase this jewelry is given in the description box below. But again, I would not give you a thumbs up to go and purchase this jewelry. It's up to you whether you want to purchase it or not. I would give it, as I told you, somewhere between 5 and 6. So it's your choice. I would not recommend you to go and purchase this. So friends, I hope you liked the way in which I tried on the jewelry. I'm a little bit confused if I should keep this or if I should not keep this. 349 for 2 piece of jewelry. The second piece is good. The first piece is kind of okay, but the earrings are totally out of use. I cannot use it. So I'm confused. Do let me know in the comment box below what do you think about this. So friends, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. So until I see you next time, this is AmiVenki signing off. Ta-da!